I made over $244,000 with Shopify Dropshipping in just a few short years. Here is my story. In this video, you will learn my personal experience with Shopify Dropshipping and how it changed my life financially. I started my first dropshipping business in 2018 and it's been quite a ride. I cannot wait to share all the ups and downs with you. Initially, I faced numerous challenges, and boy, were they overwhelming. First off, finding the right products to sell is like trying to find a needle in the haystack. You would think with millions of products out there, it will be easy, right? But nope. I had to dig deep into market trends, analyze what was hot, and figure out what people actually wanted. Then there was the fierce competition. It felt like I was in a swimming pool full of sharks, all vying for the same customers. Standing out was tough. And let's not forget about managing customer expectations. If you've ever dealt with unhappy customers, you know how draining that can be. I was constantly worried about shipping delays and product quality, which really kept me up at night. It was a messy start, and I needed to find a way to push through it all. So how did I tackle these obstacles? Well, first off, I dove into market research like it was my new favorite hobby. I utilized tools like Google Trends and social media to find out what people were actually buying. This gave me a clear picture of potential products that I could sell. Next, I focused on effective advertising. This meant learning how to use Facebook and Instagram ads to reach the right audience. I got to know my target market from inside and out, which made a huge difference. I also put a lot of energy into building a strong brand presence. I branded my store in a way that resonated with my audience, making it memorable. Creating engaging content helped me connect with my customers, which built trust and loyalty over time. All these strategies combined started to turn things around for me. Now, let me share the key moment in my journey. In 2020, while we were all in lockdown, there was this one product I stumbled upon. And if you've seen my other videos, you could probably guess it. It was yoga pants. It was like a light bulb moment. I remember the day that I decided to test it out. I ran a small ad campaign and I couldn't believe my eyes when the sales started pouring in overnight. It was surreal. I had found something that people were desperate to buy, and I capitalized on that success by scaling my ads and optimizing my store. I tweaked my product images, improved the descriptions, and made sure my customer service was top notch. This product became a game changer for me, and it really kickstarted my journey to e-commerce success. After the success of my yoga shop, I decided to build a brand new store in a different niche. This second store was in the vegan niche. I sold vegan apparel and accessories. This store also became a huge success, making over $50,000 in sales. My journey in Shopify dropshipping taught me valuable lessons about resilience and innovation in e-commerce. I learned that challenges are just opportunities in disguise, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome anything. If you want to learn more about my journey or have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out my other videos. And together, we can navigate this exciting world of e-commerce.